Alright guys, we got a flat tire here. Go ahead and get this thing started. Hello? There we go. We're also going to lower this because I'm not that tall. Lower it just a little bit. There we go. Got another tire to do here. Continental here we're gonna replace because there is a bubble right here. I don't know if you can see that. There's a bubble right there though. Go ahead and get this big old 275 tire. Get this thing out of here. Bring all that air in here. Now I'm pretty sure that's probably bad to breathe in. I don't know. Yeah, let me know in the comments. I don't know if I can breathe this in or not. Is that bad? Is that bad if I actually just were to just like breathe all that in? I'm assuming it's not good for me to breathe in. But then again, I don't know. Probably just air. Y'all let me know, dude. Am I gonna get cancer for doing that or what? Let's get some spray up in that thing. Right here too. Make it a little easier to break the beads here. Now this, I'm sure I'm not supposed to breathe in. But I mean, at some point you don't have any other option but to just do the job, right? Come on, come on. Wait for the red stop. There we go. And grab the tire we just had. So when I worked at Discount Tire, whenever I would do this, all this right here, they used to get mad at me saying, why are you painting the tire? They expected us to do it kind of like that really quick, you know. I don't blame them. I mean, as a company, I see you do waste a lot more lube painting the tire like that. So, you know, I understand it. As a business perspective, you know, I am wasting a lot more lube than normal. Hopefully. Oh my goodness. That was just the bottom. Come on, just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Bro, how much air do I need more in here? Just air up, bro, please. It's coming up. God damn. All right. Oh my goodness. We'll take the clamp off. Nice. Bring it here. Make sure this is the right cone. There we go. Take all this off. Measure the rim. Boom. Boom. How much we need? 35, 15. 15, 30, that's 40, 35. Gonna clean it off a little bit. We'll get the 15. Boom. Let's get the 35 one. Boom, 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 boom. 35, put this, oh. Got a little bit dirty, but that shouldn't stop the stick from happening. Okay, is it all set? And are we good? We're okay. Pit stop. Please get it in. $38.45. I'm at the top flow. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Just a quick little flat tire, just another dealership video. Let me know what y'all want to see, guys. If y'all want to see more dealership content or just like strictly roadside. Thank you for watching. If y'all watched it all the way through, if you watched it all the way through, comment sausage if you watched it all the way through.